Welcome to our range of Cappsure wireless security cameras. There are currently 4 internal cameras in the range, including an internal PTZ and 1 IP rated outdoor camera. All have infrared illumination for low light nighttime viewing and recording HD quality at 720p. The cameras come with power supply, lead and app for viewing. The easy to install and use app is downloadable from either Apple's App Store or Android's Google Play Store. The cameras have a wide viewing angle and high quality optical lens. All cameras, with the exception of the external one, have bidirectional audio where you can talk and listen to the area that you're viewing. All cameras have motion detection that you can switch on and off via the app, and phone notifications if the camera does detect any movement. All cameras take up to a 64GB micro SD card, and that will allow up to 4 weeks worth of viewing.